Artificial intelligence is no longer just the subject of science fiction movies or Elon Musk's tweets. It's a real thing, people. And it's not just taking over our jobs, it's also making its way into the art world. That's right, AI digital art is a thing now. And it's not just a gimmick, it's actually becoming pretty popular. More and more artists are turning to AI to create pieces that are both unique and mind-bending. So what is AI digital art? Well, it's basically the use of algorithms and computer programs to create art. And the results are pretty impressive. Think trippy, psychedelic visuals and abstract, otherworldly landscapes. But it's not just the aesthetics that make AI digital art so interesting. It's the potential it has to revolutionize the art world. Imagine being able to create a piece of art with just a few clicks of a button, or being able to create something truly unique that no human could ever come up with. AI also has the potential to challenge our perceptions of what art is and what it can be. It can push boundaries and challenge traditional notions of art and beauty. Plus, it can be a lot of fun to play around with. Of course, there are some concerns about AI taking over the art world and replacing human artists. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. For now, AI is just another tool that artists can use to create something new and exciting. So if you haven't already, it might be worth checking out some AI digital art and seeing what all the fuss is about. Who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to create something truly out of this world. Alrighty, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of AI digital art. First things first, what the heck is it? Well, AI digital art is exactly what it sounds like, art that's created using artificial intelligence. And no, that doesn't mean robots are taking over the art world, yet. It just means that artists are using algorithms and computer programs to create unique and mind-bending pieces. So how does it work? Essentially, an artist will feed data into an AI algorithm, which then creates something based on that data. This data could be anything from images and sounds to text and even physical sensations. The AI algorithm then takes that data and uses it to create something new, something that no human could ever come up with. The artist can then tweak and refine the piece to create something truly unique and one of a kind. Now, you might be wondering, what does AI digital art actually look like? Well, it can be pretty trippy, to say the least. Think psychedelic visuals, abstract landscapes, and surreal dreamscapes. Some popular examples of AI digital art include Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, which was created by the French art collective Obvious using an AI algorithm, and The Next Rembrandt, which used AI to create a brand new painting that mimicked the style of the Dutch master. But AI digital art isn't just limited to paintings, it can also be used to create music, dance, and even fashion. In fact, the possibilities are truly endless. So there you have it, AI digital art in a nutshell. It's weird, it's wacky, and it's a little bit wild. But hey, that's what makes it so darn cool. First of all, AI can make the art creation process more efficient. Rather than spending hours, days, or even weeks creating a piece of art from scratch, an artist can use AI algorithms to generate something quickly and easily. This can be a huge time saver, especially for artists who are working on tight deadlines. Another advantage of using AI in art creation is the ability to create truly unique pieces. Since the AI algorithm is generating something based on data input by the artist, the resulting artwork will be unlike anything else out there. This can help artists stand out in a crowded field and create something truly one of a kind. But the real magic of AI in art creation lies in its ability to do things that would be impossible for human artists. For example, an AI algorithm can create a piece of art based on data that represents physical sensations, such as the feeling of wind blowing or the sound of waves crashing. No human artist could ever accurately recreate these sensations in a painting or sculpture. AI can also be used to create art that responds to its environment or to the people viewing it. Imagine a piece of art that changes colors or shapes depending on the temperature or the noise level in the room. This would be impossible for a human artist to create, but with the help of AI, it's totally doable. And let's not forget about the fact that AI can be used to create art that challenges our perceptions of what art is and what it can be. It can create pieces that are abstract, surreal, or downright weird, pushing the boundaries of what we consider to be art. So there you have it. Just a few of the many advantages of using AI in art creation. The possibilities are truly endless, and I'm excited to see what kind of mind-bending art we'll see in the future thanks to this amazing technology. As awesome as AI is in the world of art, it's not without its limitations. You didn't think we were going to let it off the hook that easily, did you? One of the biggest limitations of AI in art creation is its inability to truly understand human emotions and subjective experiences. Sure, an AI algorithm can generate something based on data input by a human artist, but it doesn't actually understand what that data means or how it relates to human experience. This can lead to AI-generated art that feels soulless and lacking in emotional depth. Critics have accused AI art of being cold or mechanical, lacking the raw emotion and humanity of art created by human hands. Another limitation of AI in art creation is the fact that it can't really improvise or deviate from its programming. While an artist can change direction midway through a piece or make spontaneous decisions based on their intuition, an AI algorithm is limited to the data it's been given and the parameters it's been programmed with. This can lead to AI-generated art that feels repetitive or formulaic, lacking the creative spark that comes from true improvisation. But hey, let's not get too down on AI. After all, it's still a relatively new technology, and it's making huge strides every day. Who knows, maybe one day AI will be able to create art that truly rivals the emotional depth and soulfulness of human-made art. In the meantime, let's appreciate AI art for what it is, a fascinating and mind-bending new frontier in the world of creativity. And hey, if you're ever feeling down about the lack of soul in AI-generated art, just remember, at least it can't be worse than some of the stuff your little cousin drew with crayons last Thanksgiving. It's pretty amazing how AI is already being used to create art in various fields, like music and dance. From AI-generated compositions to choreography, we're seeing some really innovative pieces that blend human and machine creativity. And the possibilities don't stop there. With its ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data, AI could be used to create entirely new art forms that we can't even imagine yet. Think holographic sculptures or immersive virtual reality experiences. Of course, some people may argue that AI-generated art lacks the humanity and emotional depth of art created by human hands. But as we've seen, AI can push the boundaries of what we thought was possible with its innovative and boundary-pushing creations. And let's be real, even if AI-generated art doesn't quite measure up to the Mona Lisa, it can still be pretty entertaining. Who wouldn't want to see an AI-generated painting of a penguin wearing a cowboy hat, for instance? Well, that's all for today's episode of Tech Nation. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the fascinating world of AI and digital art. Whether you're a die-hard traditionalist or a tech-savvy futurist, there's no denying that the potential of AI in the art world is simply mind-boggling. From creating new works of art to revolutionizing the way we experience them, the possibilities are truly endless. So, dear viewers, what do you think about AI and digital art? Are you excited about the potential or wary of the implications? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving world of technology, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tech Nation.